Welcome to this video presentation here at Wimbledon Carriage Company, and here we have the Tesla Model X on a 70 plate. I'm going to start off firstly by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through just a few of the controls on the inside of it from there. From the outside, you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels and tinted windows. I'm going to start off inside the boot area of the vehicle first. The tailgate on this car, of course, opens electronically. As we approach the back of the car, you can then see we have reversing sensors. It's a 7-seat vehicle, so this is the amount of boot space you have as a 7-seater. You can, of course, fold these seats down should you wish to, the same as you can with this middle row of seats. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then as I mentioned, we'll hop in and run through some controls from there. With it being the Model X, we have those rear doors that open upwards, as you can see. As you can also see, now that we've done a full circle of the vehicle, it is in fantastic condition the entire way around. Opening the door on this car couldn't be simpler. Just give that button a push and it will open for you. I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view as well. There's plenty to run through by way of controls. We'll run through a few of those now. Okay, now that we're inside the vehicle, we're going to start off with the dials just here. So we have the digital readout for the speedometer in the center, of course. In that bottom right hand corner, it will show you that we are currently in park. In the bottom left hand corner, we've got the range in terms of miles. We can access various different menus up on this screen via the roller that I was just using here. We have voice activation as well. We can also use our stereo controls on the left-hand side of the steering wheel. Over into the center here, we have, I'm going to turn them down now, the fans you can adjust. We can adjust the fans in the rear, the fans in the front just there. We can determine where we would like the air to be distributed once it enters the car. You can, of course, turn your air conditioning off. It's on at the moment as it's highlighted in blue. And you can tap out of that screen at any time you wish to. Of course, it is a massive screen. I've got it back way back up to a point where I can't actually touch it to get it all in one shot. So I'm going to move back in closer just to show you the various menus along the bottom just here. So we have driver temperature, passenger temperature, volume for the stereo, of course. In the middle, we've got a menu for Spotify, information. We're going to start down, and the cameras, of course, down in this bottom right-hand corner. And it opens up the main car menu. And as you can see, so many options there for the main car menu. You can also open the doors from inside here as well. We've got a phone menu. As I say, we have our camera menu. So you can open up the camera, as you can see just there. Putting the vehicle into reverse will give you the various cameras that are available as well. And then moving across from there, we have an audio menu. These 3 dots will open up this main menu for lots of different apps, including YouTube Music, Amazon Music, Audible, Apple Podcasts. I mean, in all honesty, the options with this car in terms of its infotainment system and this screen are just endless. And it is, I mean, for anyone who's ever used the smartphone, which is most people, of course, it is very intuitive to use as well. Plenty of storage underneath here, 2 cup holders, of course, as well. The last thing I wanted to run through is the paperwork we have for the vehicle. So in the envelope here is the spare key. So we have 2 keys in total. The V5 registration document just there as well, showing it's a 1-owner car from new. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, or you'd like a live bespoke video tour, please feel free to give us a call here at Wimbledon Carriage Company. We'd love to hear from you.